In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a small business owner. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made workspace template so you can manage projects, track work, and organize your team without having to build everything from scratch. Start by heading to your ClickUp workspace and opening the team space you want to use. In my case, I'm in the Overview section of a workspace. This is where you'll add a template that gives your small business a complete structure for tasks, views, and workflows. At the top of the screen, look for the option that opens the template menu. When you see the button for using templates, go ahead and click on Use Templates. This opens a gallery of pre-built setups you can apply directly to your team space. Next, you'll see a template preview with several highlighted options. Follow the prompts on screen and select the template you want by clicking on the highlighted area to move forward. As you review the template details, you'll notice information about what's included, like lists, views, and fields. Click on the section that mentions custom fields included with the template. Custom fields are extra data points you can track on each task, such as priority, budget, or client name. Take a second to look at what's already built in here. It can save you a lot of setup time later. Then click on Tags. Tags let you label tasks across different lists, which is great for grouping work by client, department, or status. If your small business juggles multiple services or products, tags help you filter and find tasks quickly. Next, open the ClickUp section. ClickUps are optional features you can turn on or off, like time tracking, dependencies, or sprints. This is where you tailor ClickUp to match how your team actually works. Now click on View Types. This shows you the different ways this template will visualize your tasks, such as lists, boards, and other layouts. Right after that, open Automations. Automations help you reduce manual work, like moving tasks or updating statuses automatically based on triggers. Once you're happy with what's included, click on Use Template. A setup panel will open. Click the highlighted option to configure how the template will be applied. Then select Customize Import Items. Here you can decide exactly which parts of the template you want to bring into your workspace. If the template includes dates, click on Remap Dates. This lets you shift all the example due dates to line up with your current schedule, so you're not stuck with outdated timelines. When everything looks good, click Use Template again to finalize the import. ClickUp will now build out your space based on the template. After the template loads, switch your view by clicking on Board. The board view is especially helpful for small business owners because it shows tasks in columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, making it easy to track work at a glance. On the left side, you'll see several lists that came with this template. Click on Product Roadmap. This list is designed for big picture planning and future features or projects. Then click on Product Backlog. This is where you store all the ideas and tasks that are important but not yet in progress, so nothing gets lost. Next, select Reported Bugs. Even if your business isn't software-based, this list can be repurposed to track issues, customer complaints, or things that need fixing. Click on Kanban board to see another way the work is structured, using a Kanban-style flow to move tasks through stages. Finally, click on Retrospectives. This list is perfect for reviewing what went well, what didn't, and what you want to improve after a project or a busy period in your business. By following these steps, you've used a ClickUp template to quickly build a structured, repeatable system for running your small business inside one organized workspace.